Alright, so it is now Monday. I let the car sit for a little bit. The reason why I did that is because I was helping a friend out and I didn't have enough time to pick it up. So now, I'm not going to pick it up. I am a little short in cash to rent a trailer. But it can wait so I can pick it up on Friday. We're still going to look at it today. Most likely, I saw pictures of it. It looks fantastic. I've never been too happy to see the results. I have, this meets my satisfaction. I like how this job has been done. I guess we're on the way to look at it. I'll pay my friend and look at it. It will definitely help my channel grow if you're subscribed, like, and comment. Please do. Every little support for this channel will be great. It will be encouragement to carry on and making some more videos. There it is. Nice and straight. It's like nothing happened to it. I suggest you to cut this out and weld the other one from the good mr2 and send it. So also this piece is a little bit fucked, but it's no big deal. It's better than it was. Just autocross it, beat the shit out of it, whatever. But it came out pretty good. The car looks like it should steer a lot better. Looks a lot better. Alright, going back home. We'll be back on Friday. Alright, so we finally got the mr2 back, and it looks straighter than ever. Straight as fuck. There we go. Pull the trigger. There you go. Now pull it out. Hey, good. Watch the speed sensor.
It's stuck. Okay. Did it.
So, over this side over here, we have a nice straight control arm. Right? So now if we look back over here, if we take a look over there, the arm is clearly bent. Pretty bad. So when the guy snapped oversteer in the Atlantic City tunnel, hit the crash beam, and obviously, as you see in my previous video, the beams went that direction, and a lot of shit got bent. Now that it's straight, we can actually start putting this back together. We will have to do some serious body work, but this is not that bad. You have to take this out entirely, take the one off the mr2. I've considered about buying a new one. Hey, the one side you took off was a lot easier. This one's like the bolt's a little more crusty and harder to get out. This is enough angle. 10 mil. What's it? So now you can see how everything is aligned from over here. The frame is straight. Everything is straight here. They use the laser guided straightener. So you look underneath here, we have a subframe. We got this tube in there that goes from there to there. And there's bolts that hold these braces. So everything looks pretty straightforward from here. Nothing that damaged. Besides this actually has been bent down. But nothing but a good old whack of hammer, we can't straighten that out. But this one is normal. This one stacks a little over. Alright, so we got the knuckles out, struts. We did encounter an issue. Oh fuck. We did encounter an issue. I'm vlogging, bud. Okay. This is one of the bolts that hold on to the control arm. As you can tell, it is clearly snapped off. So that means that I will be having to fight this fucker with heat or possibly drilling him out. So also another issue is this bolt happens to be stuck pretty badly with this part of the body. So there's no big deal. It's not like we have another car that happens to have the identical parts to it that's not totaled in the front end. Alright, this is week number 1 of getting this fucking thing back. So what had an issue here was the damn control arm was stuck. I had to cut the damn bolt. And then I get the one inside the bushing over here. For some reason it wouldn't want to come out the other way, but it wanted to come out from here. I guess the bolt's bent, so I had to cut the head out from here. If I can find it, yeah, here it is. Here's the head. So I had to cut that off with the sawzall. Fucking, the thing came at me and it was super hot, and I touched the bottom of my bicep. Boy, let me tell you, that shit burnt. But the next problem was I figured this out because I snapped the bolt that goes inside the unibody subframe. So in order to get this fucker out was to cut it off with the sawzall. Going back over here, obviously you can tell that the bolt snapped. I'm in a situation right now where I'm like, alright, what do now? Get the biggest pry bar, jam it in here and push and twist. As you can see, I was extremely lucky that the threads behind it is moving along with the bushing, so I can spin this out as much as I can and still get the bolt out without having to do any drilling or anything in that nature. I'm gonna move the camera so you can see what I mean. This is gonna be really difficult with one hand, but at least you can see what's going on. You can see the threads moving. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm not trying to fling a pry bar to my face. That's spinning. Alright, so I end up having to cut the bolt because the subframe, this bar here, or it kind of is the subframe. This is still part of the unibody, but still, this is kind of a subframe brace thing. Anywho, so I had to cut it. But let's see if my chuck and my Milwaukee drill makes it pop out. Oh my lord. What the fuck? No way. Alright, well that's out. Now I have to find a put a control arm in. Oh well. It is what I is, but I have so much to do, but taking that arm was a big step. That was super annoying. Motherfucking oink oink.
You need what? You need police lights now.
It hasn't, but I disabled them.
Why?
I don't want to get pulled over for fucking impersonation or get put in jail.
You'll be alright. Just don't do it in front of cops and you'll be fine.
Yeah, it's only illegal when you get caught.
Exactly.